Hi guys, I hope you all are having a great day. Welcome to the third episode of Weekend Coding Session, and we are developing a React application, and we are using materialized CSS for our designing purpose. And now we are kind of in the middle of the project. So if you are following me, then you know we did some design for the home page, and we also did set up our routes. So yeah, now what we'll do, we'll do the rest of the design, but I did some changes in the project file. I didn't record that as it's not a tutorial, as you guys know. And so let me just first start the server, server. Oh, I'm sorry, how can I do that? I can write that properly. Yeah, so let's start, and till then let me show you what I've done. So I just did few changes. I made the homepage mobile friendly. It's now responsive. I did the navbar mobile friendly. Yeah, here you can see the code. We just added toggle in a mobile view. So, and also we add some nav link in mobile view. So, okay, so the server is running. Let's let it get started, and let me show you what I have done. And as you can see, I made some changes before I gave that background image above, and now it's down. And the next thing is, okay, so yeah, just little bit of changes, and now it's responsive. So let me just see. Yeah, so as you can see, this is the project. So this is what we have done till yet. Before it was in the right side, the heading, and the image was in the left side. Now it's just I just made the changes because I didn't like that. So now what we'll do, we'll create our about page, because let me just show you the responsiveness. So as you can see, it's totally responsive now, and working perfectly. And this is the panel I have made. I just used some JavaScript, and I gave it a component. Okay, let me show you. Yeah, component did mount, and for the JavaScript, and this is the slider function. These are the pretty much basic things. You can just search in Google and do that. It's easy thing. These are the mainly easy stuff. So it's showing me one error here. So what is it said? IMG element must have an alt prop. Okay, so let's just keep that. I think, where is that IMG? I think it's in the hero component. Okay, let's just put an alt here. We'll stay clean, no error. So alt, what can I think? Give it a PG. Okay, hero image. Let's save it and see what. So okay, active screen readers already announce image tag as image. You don't need to use word image, photo, picture, or specified word in the alt prop. Okay, I don't think I can use it, so let's give it hero PG. Okay, now it's not complaining anymore. So we are perfectly set up here, and we'll start our project. So let me just close the console. Okay, so here I'll add one more thing now. That is, if you go in materialized grid, yeah, this is the thing I'm gonna add here. So let me just copy it. Well, I know I could do that, but I'm copying it. This is a bad thing, but I don't care. Everyone does that. It's a part of the programming. So I will add that. We'll make another component inside our component folder, and we'll say that, what can I say, home middle component. Yeah, so no, just I will not say this. I'll say what we can say. Okay, this thing is really frustrating if you know. Okay, I think I'm making it in wrong folder. Yeah, it will be in home component. So yeah, just forgive me for that. It's good that I haven't created it. So now just let's create it, and we'll call it what we'll keep there. We'll keep kind of a portfolio. let's call it home portfolio. Audio.js. So as you can see now, it's we are here, and I will create a function component here. So now we are ready because we are not going to use any property or anything. Oh, I copied it before, so let's just paste it. Yeah, it's going to throw some error. We'll solve that. That's not a problem. And let's just make it more beautiful. I can select it. Yes, I can. I have to. And as you can see, now we are looking good. So if you guys like this content, let me tell you, I'm gonna launch a course on React and Materialize CSS. This is a programming session, so that's not gonna be a session. That will be a proper course where I'll teach you how to make a React application, and how you can initialize it, and also how you can do the styling part with Materialize CSS. Yeah, it's a tough name. It's a weird name. I hate. Well, no, I don't hate it. It's really awesome. So okay, let's just start doing this. And for that, what is this? This is I'll give it an image, and it's a heading, and it's a paragraph. So let me just find icon. Okay, components, icons. Great. I think I already added this thing. Yeah, I added it. So as you can see, there are some parts the way we can add it. So let's just take it and see how is it looking. Let's paste it here. So let's paste it here, and now we'll see how is it looking on the page. Well, it's not showing anything. I'm surprised here. Should show something. Okay, how is it? So I don't know how can I expect that. So what we'll do, we'll add it here. That what we called it. Why I'm forgetting so fast? Yeah, home portfolio. It's automatically got imported. Yeah, as you can see, it's showing it here. So now what we'll do, we'll see our code here, and S4 is good. That let's see if we copy it, and we'll select our icon later. Let's just copy paste the thing and see how it's looking. Yeah, it's not looking so bad, it's looking good. And let's see if we can keep center here. I think yeah, now it's looking perfectly fine. And I'll keep this. Okay, let me just give it class name of container. If I do that, yeah, now I'm gonna delete this center thing. Okay, not so bad. I think it was good there. Yeah, I think, yeah, it's perfect. Well, we'll see if we're gonna do any changes. So as I was telling you that I'm gonna make a tutorial on React and Materialize CSS. So if you guys want, and that will be very soon. That will be very soon. I'm gonna do that. It will teach you the basics of React and how you can use it with Materialize CSS, and how you can build your own landing page. So if you guys wanna stay tuned, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and yeah, that will help you. So first I'm gonna find laptop. Okay, what we'll use? Let's go with Mac. Okay, Mac for what application? Okay, see what we can find. Maybe something like that. Okay, let's just see what kind of icon we're getting here. Yeah, there are lots of icons. So desktop Mac and mobile. Okay, so for desktop Mac, we'll take it and use it as a website. And we're gonna paste it here. For mobile, we are gonna find mobile. Oh my god, there's no mobile. Yeah, there is developer phone. We'll use it as Android. So if you see it now, yeah, it's working perfectly clear. And next, what we'll do, so web development, Android development, and the main thing I'm gonna focus in this page. So what is the main thing here again? Okay, let's just find, let's just say machine learning. Okay, no, not just all the clients are gonna need that. So let's just find digital marketing related something. We'll do that as well. And for digital marketing, okay, let's just take something like domain. Yeah, this is not looking bad actually. Well, I'll just gonna do this donut small. I don't know why I'm gonna use it, but I'm gonna use it. I don't care. If I don't like it, I'm gonna change it later. We'll see that later also. Yeah, so now I need a space here. So okay, we'll give it a class name of what we'll give. Let's just say home portfolio. Home portfolio. Let's save it and let's, and I'll keep them here. No pens on that, and also I'm gonna give it a margin top of 50 pixel. Let's save it and see how is it looking. Okay. I think I'm gonna increase it more. More actually, 100 will be better. Still I can set 120, but for the mobile view it's gonna do some problem. So yeah, we'll see in mobile view how is it looking. It's gonna look, yeah. So okay, in mobile view it's already good. I'll keep it 100, doesn't matter. Let's just keep it 100. And what is this? Okay, yeah, I think you have seen that error and you didn't tell me. Well, there is no way to tell me also. It's not a live session. I'll do that later, don't worry. Oh my god. Name. So yeah, leave it here, and next what we will do, what can we do next? So now let's just make it more responsive, like mobile phone. In small we'll give it a 12. Let's give it 12 and 12. For M we'll give it 4. For L we'll give it 4. Same here, M4, L4. If you guys don't know this, then don't worry, I'm gonna teach you soon, so just don't forget to subscribe. I'm gonna make that course very soon and we'll learn there together. Yep. So yeah, so I'm gonna change the color also here. So let's give it a color of same color, blue darken. Write that properly. Blue darken 4. Let's see if it's working. Oh my, no. So I think I'm gonna use text blue or blue text. I always forget that. I think it's text blue, not text blue, blue text. Oh my god, I forget that every time. Yeah, it's not taking the dark N4. Let's go to color, color, CSS, color. So we're done with our emojis. We don't want to dark N4. It should work, I think. Well, I think for text I have to use something else. So let's just see what they're using for text. Yeah, text darken. First one is after and the last one is before. I have to remember that. It's not darken for text, it's text darken for. And for color, it's not text blue. Remember this. Let's see if I can remember this. So yeah, same for the next two. Let's just copy paste it. That's the easiest way to work because you don't have to write unnecessary codes. We can write unnecessary. And next, what we'll give it a H3, I think. Yeah. Call it web development. And I'm gonna give it. So I'm gonna give it a nav link class name equals to nav link because there is no other styling in it. Yeah, but it's so big. Okay, let's just make it H4. Save. Yeah, it's right. It's cool now. I'm gonna see if there is any margin in that link. There is no margin in that link. Okay, cool. Same for the rest of them. For this two, we are going to use this is web and this is Android. Okay, Android and iOS both. So let's just give it what will mobile app development. Yeah, and for the next one we'll use digital marketing. This is a great tech company, by the way. This is my company. This landing page is for my company. Oh my god, seriously? Digital marketing. And if we watch it like this, okay, cool. So is there anything we're gonna need here? Can use lots of things here, that's not a problem, but I think I'm gonna give it a margin, top margin. But for mobile that will be so much pathetic, so for that we'll just give it a HR tag. It will make it, you know, more attractive, I think. But for that I don't think I'm gonna give it here. It's right here. Save now. Okay, no, it sounds pathetic, so let's just, yeah, see how is it looking. That's good also. I want to remove page tag. Okay, so let's see if we can use a parallax effect before that. So we'll go into Java's component, no JavaScript. Yeah, this one, open demo. Yeah, we'll go with this demo in HTML. Okay, we'll just copy this and we'll change it, but we are also going to need the JavaScript code, so we'll find that in Google. Let me show you. Okay, let me see. So let's component, no space, and .js. I'm going to use a function-based component, and here will give out parallel container. So yeah, it's showing a hell lot of error, and that's there is many reason for that. First, let's see why it's showing so much error. We are going to change the class name later, and here we're going to give it a self-closing tag. Okay, so much div. Corresponding tag. Did I just miss some tag here? I think I did miss one tag, or they missed. Yeah, that's all about tag. Let's just select it and make it beautiful. Fair enough. Great. The terrible mistake. I don't care about that. And what is this one? Okay. Then close. It's HTML tag. So now, if I so it is a really bad error, and I just changed it, and I don't know how did this happen, and I already forgot that shit. And the thing was like I used class-based component, and I had to use a function component, and that should be arrow function. So as you can see, I made it converted it into a arrow function, and next what I did, I just add this use effect instead of using component in mount. So I just import, as you can see, I just imported use effect, and I used it inside my code. So I'm sorry for that, and that's it. It's a part of the life. That's not a big deal. I and now I'm gonna change, show you how is it looking right now. Okay, let's just give it a proper look. Let's save it, and you can see now it's looking perfectly cool, and we'll do some changes as well. But let me show you how is it looking in mobile views. Don't worry, I'm gonna change these photos. I just downloaded it from Google, and it's just for the development purpose, as I told you. So let's just say, okay, now what I'm gonna do, I'll just give it a little bit space. I'm gonna give it a padding down, I think. Okay, so why can I give that? I'll give an inline, that is hero component. So inside hero component, this is image, after image, or say after row. So yeah, I'll give it after row, and let's try this here. Okay, no, let's just try this here. I'm gonna make it a inline styling, and I'm gonna give it padding down. Padding down. I hope it exists. Okay, so padding down, let's just give it 50 pixel. Okay. Well, I think I made got it wrong. I'm sorry. It will be padding top. Yeah. So now what I'll do, this is still some problem. Okay. If I give it a margin down, let's go with margin. Okay, I'll use it in the parallax component. I think it will be easy for me to manage. You see, let's just try it here and see if it's working. If I can write it properly. Oh my god. Yeah, I will write it properly. No, not you. Okay. So let's see what it will be. It will be margin. Yeah, margin top, and I'll give it 50 pixel also. Okay. They are so bad, so bad. They're still not going. How can you do that with me? 100. You are gone. Inside mobile view. Yeah, it's okay. It's quite okay right now. I like it now. So what can we do now? Is it already done? Okay. So now it's the parallax. We'll change this text. We'll say, what can we say? Let's say grab a coffee with us. Now it will say here, join for coffee. Is it right? Coffee spelling? Yeah. And we'll use enabling for class so that it just change the font. Yeah, join for coffee, and we'll use an icon here. It's a coffee mug. I'll go with local cafe and we'll put it here. Save it. See how it looking. It's looking quite same. I don't think actually we need this paragraph. Like if I just take this icon out from here. Okay. So something else here. I'll just take it out and save this, and I'll put it here before it's 3. Save it and see how's it looking. Yeah. Pretty much better than before, and we'll try to make it more better. So this is the reason here in the bottom of join for coffee, and this is a coffee cup. Okay. Section. Make it dark, kind of a. I mean, no. Let's just see how does it look. Gray. Darken. 4. Let's save it. Wow. Black exist. Yeah, it exists. So what I'll do, I'll just make them white because that will look good, I think. Yep, it's looking great. And that's looking cool enough. proceed. Let's give the class name. Let's put it here. Let's save it. Let's good. But I'll give it right. Let's see. Work. Yeah. So and save it. So now we're good with our. Okay, we'll not say this .in. We'll say web.in. Web.in. Save it. You can say it's looking more better than before. And we'll make a same thing for footer and for a testimonial, and we need 3 more this. I'm gonna change this photos. Let's just go to home portfolio. What I'll do, I'll just take this whole thing. Yeah. We have to give a line break here to make it more beautiful. I think I don't need this commas. Yeah, I don't actually need it. I'll also keep the right one, and I'm sorry, 0 pixel, 0 pixel. Next, for the digital marketing, we'll do same, but there will be left 0, 0 pixel and 1 pixel. Let's save it. Wow, that's cool. Same for the bottom. Oh, shit. Below component. Purchase. And we'll use an RFs. Yeah. And inside this we'll use it. Save it. We'll use it here. Yeah, working perfectly. Now it's working perfectly, and what I'll do, we'll use card. Let's try for the card. I'm dying to use that card. I'll use that in portfolio section also. So this is a link, this is a link. Use this. Yeah. But I think I need JavaScript for that. Let's just give it a try. No. So what we'll do, looking great. Just gonna do, I'll just copy it and paste it. Also I'll paste it and save it. Yeah, well, I could make components here, but I'll just leave it like that. I don't know why I'm liking it. By the way, these are the upcoming projects title. Let's just keep it like that. And the last thing we'll do for the home component is footer. I think footer will be common for everyone, so let's just footer.js. For footer, of course, we are going to use this kind of thing. For that, I'll put a parallax, Ctrl C. Where is my footer? Okay, RFC, paste it, and yep. Section, hide home. I'll add footer, save it. Let's see. Yeah. Now what I'll do, I'll just change the color of the footer. Here I'll make this develop. Well, working. And for contact section, yeah, I don't think I have much more thing to add here. Let's just make it blue, not gray. Blue darken for. Okay, so as you can see, the footer section is done, and not done. I will add some extra features later, like contact us and email, and also maybe a newsletter. So I'll do that later. And so just let's leave it here, and we'll end our video because it's kind of a long right now. And in next video we'll so let me just show you, it's already mobile friendly. Yes, okay, I think it have some problem. Okay, no, it's okay, we can live with that. We'll, okay, it's have some problem, and we'll fix that in our next video, and we'll start designing our about section. So with all that, that's it for this video, and we are done here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. That was another coding session, and I'll come soon with a new tutorial of React and Materialize CSS. This is just a journey I'm sharing with you. I'm learning React and trying to make our own portfolio website with React.js. It's not a website, it's React.js. It's a JavaScript library, and I can remember that. Yeah. Okay, so with all that thoughts, let's end this video here, and you guys just keep write code, and I will see you in next video. Bye.